Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. I hope you're all well. Right, today's video is a Christmas video. Christmas is really fast approaching us. So I went to B&M, had a look around, and I picked up a hot chocolate, a S'mores hot chocolate gift set. This was £5 out of B&M. So we're going to give these a couple of tries and we're going to see whether it's nice, horrible, worth the money, is it, isn't it? So yeah, come on over and we'll have a look. Right, these have 12 different hot chocolates in the box. We've got banoffee pie, hazelnut, marshmallows, black forest gatto, s'mores, flavour hot chocolate, white chocolate and raspberry, rocky road, carrot cake, brownie, cherry, cookies and cream, and winter berries. I'm going to show you the information on the back of the box. So there's all your nutrition details, and here it says what it has in the box, and they also come with marshmallows as well inside the little boxes. So I'm going to open it up, I'm going to get the microwave ready, and we're going to have a taste. Right, I've opened the box up, I've got them all out on the table, and here is the box of marshmallows. You don't get marshmallows in every single one, you get a box of marshmallows. So we're going to open the marshmallows up and have a look at the quantity. So there's the marshmallows you get for your whole chocolate set, which was £5 from B&M. So I'm going to get in the microwave, I'm going to get the microwave out, and I'm going to get some hot milk going, and we're going to have a little taste test of them. I'm going to pick a few different ones. I think I'll pick, what shall we pick? Shall I pick a s'mores one, because that's the name of the gift set, isn't it? So we'll try the s'mores hot chocolate, so we'll take that one. We'll try a white chocolate and raspberry one, and then we'll try a carrot cake one. We'll try these three first over here. We'll stick some marshmallows in. Oh, I forgot to show you the back of the box of the marshmallows, because it has got a few ingredients. So there's the back of the marshmallows. I'll show you the back of the box for the individual hot chocolates. There you go. Shall I open one up and see how big the packet of hot chocolate is? So just remember, you don't get marshmallows in every packet. You just get a packet of chocolate, and then you have to share the marshmallows out sparingly. So we're going to get the microwave out, I'm going to get some milk on the go, and we're going to have a taste test. Right, I got 3 cups of hot milk. And
which you just done in the microwave.
We've just done them in the microwave, yeah. And we're going to try s'mores hot chocolate first. I want to know whether it's got a rich chocolatey taste. I don't want a weak taste, you want that nice rich chocolatey taste, don't you? Mm-hmm. I'm going to sprinkle some marshmallows on the top. Obviously you can put your cream on there, your whipped cream, whatever you do. But I just wanted to see if these are as good as what they say they are. So we'll get this open.
Go on then, Bob.
And I'll show you.
Go on then.
So these are the little bags that you get. So you've got to sprinkle all that into your cup, into your hot milk, sorry. There's the dog already, I've spilling half of it already. Oh, can you smell that? Oh, it smells lovely.
Oh, there's loads, quite a lot of chocolate in there.
Yeah. But apparently you're supposed to empty it all out. Right, that's all out. Even though I've dropped it everywhere as well. I'll give that a good stir. It'll take ages to dissolve now. Get it all. I'm just waiting for the lumps to dissolve. Give me 10 minutes.
Should have poured the milk on top of them, really. But
never mind. It's hot milk, isn't it?
So.
Yeah.
Dissolve it.
Yeah and no.
Bit of chocolate on top, ain't gonna work, is it?
Right.
I'll taste it anyway. Get the marshmallow in.
Get some marshmallows in.
Marshmallows.
So that's all you get with your set.
Get loads of them. Oh, they expand.
I know people say, yeah, they do expand, and they go all lumpy and creamy. I'll stick.
Put a couple in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That'll do.
4.
Well, we're going on to the next one then.
Do you want me to pour them more in?
See if they expand a bit.
This one's white chocolate and raspberry.
You open it.
I just have to tear the box. Do that this time. Does smell nice though.
What one's this?
This one's the white chocolate and raspberry.
No.
Doesn't smell very nice.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
I mean, we don't really have hot
We're
chocolate,
not hot chocolate fans,
but I just wanted to see, do a review of the of it. She can smell the chocolate, can't she? That one.
Oh, I can smell that one.
That one dissolved a little bit better, I think. Just give it a good stir.
Yeah.
Right. Bit of chocolate on top, won't it? And again, there we go.
And the last one.
And the last one is carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
I love carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Theirs dissolved a little
they're
bit.
still hot then.
Yeah, they're still hot. You don't want them roasting because
you
they're just...
do.
Yeah, but... Oh, God, I'm so sorry.
Half on the side.
Here we go.
This one's going to be weak now, Bab.
Nut with her
It's going to be weak.
hands again. This is the only problem with my hands. This is the problem I have. So I apologise for that. I've just spilt a bit. I mean, people put the powder in first and the milk.
Yeah. But only because I've done it in the microwave, I want you've got to do the milk.
Yeah.
I've got to do all the milk in a jug, I suppose.
Well, I
And
did
pour
think
it in.
that, but I made a bit of a mess, you know.
Yeah.
I'm as bad as you. And you
Yeah.
going about chaos in the kitchen. I'm only doing some... I've got it there, and over here. So, right, shall we have a try of the s'mores
Go on then.
chocolate?
You go in first.
Yeah. God, that's really chocolatey. That's really chocolatey.
Is it?
That's quite nice. Try some. Do you want me to... You're going to try some now?
Go on then. Let me try some. Let me try a bit.
That's really chocolatey, that is. That's nice. Quite like that. See, you've
Oh,
just
it is,
done the
ain't it?
same, yeah? You've just done the same.
Oh,
You have marshmallow.
marshmallow.
Does that make it taste nice or something?
No.
Let me
It tastes like gloop.
I'll have to try the marshmallow. I forgot to try the marshmallow, actually. Isn't that chocolatey?
It's very chocolatey. It's meant to be made for stick together.
What's the marshmallows about?
No,
Oh,
not the best of about them.
they're not nice.
They're not nice at all.
Not the
Next.
marshmallows. Right.
Yeah.
The next one is, if I can swallow my marshmallow, is white chocolate and raspberry.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it smells weird. Oh, I don't like that one.
No.
Oh, I don't like that one.
No.
Oh, no.
My turn.
Your turn.
Oh, that smells a bit like perfume.
You can taste the berry, but nothing else.
Is that what it is? Berry.
It's white chocolate and berry. Doesn't it taste like perfume? The smell.
It smells like perfume to me.
It's weird, really weird aftertaste that is.
Oh no, no, straight away.
It's gross, isn't it?
Ugh,
It's not nice.
that is disgusting. Oh, it tastes like perfume as well, Bab.
Oh,
Doesn't it?
That is right nasty, that nasty, like, weird taste. You still taste it? That one's not nice. Right, carrot cake.
Oh,
This is my favourite carrot cake.
better be nice.
It smells disgusting. It smells like vegetables.
With carrots. Someone else looking.
That tastes like mud.
Mud.
Earth. Don't taste nice. You like to taste it. Go on. It smells.
Oh, that smells
See,
bad
I
as
told
well,
ya.
doesn't it? It does. It smells like wet mud.
Tastes like wet
Right, if you
mud
dug
as
up the
well.
garden and it's wet.
Yeah,
It does.
I told ya.
Oh.
It's gross.
Oh. Oh.
Fire.
Oh. I don't like any of them, sweetheart.
It tastes like vegetables, like, I can't explain, like wet, mouldy vegetables.
Yes, look, it's come out of the ground. That's rotten.
That is disgusting. I'm not trying no more.
I'm not trying anymore. No.
Oh. The first one, this one was quite nice because it was just the chocolate. But the last two, the berry and the carrot cake was the worst. That is disgusting. I don't like that at all. It's left a right nasty taste in my mouth as well.
So would you recommend buying them for a gift set?
For £5,
To your worst enemy?
maybe. But you know what they say, keep your enemies closer. Right, it cost £5 and I misread it to start off with. I thought it was a gift set box with marshmallows in each packet and it wasn't. Marshmallows come in the packet on their own in a box. Do I think it's worth... It depends if you're into hot chocolate. Some people absolutely love hot chocolate, but I personally wouldn't pay £5 for this. I really wouldn't. As a gift set for Christmas, it's not nice, is it? I'd give that a 2.5. Just because of the boxes. The boxes do look nice, individual boxes in a nice gift set, but it tastes vile. It tastes disgusting. So I'm giving it a 2.5. Are you giving it?
I'm not even giving it that. I'm giving it a 1.
You're giving it a 1?
Yeah, because it was a £5 as well.
It was £5, quite expensive.
Very expensive.
For what
£5.
it is,
You might as well just go and buy
a tub
of chocolate and a bag of marshmallows.
A bag of marshmallows.
Oh, you got your flavouring, but the flavouring's vile.
The flavouring is disgusting. Really,
So you might as well just have a normal hot chocolate, mightn't you?
That's true. You could give somebody a hot chocolate with a pack of marshmallows and stuff.
I wouldn't buy them.
I wouldn't
buy
know.
them. Well, I did. We did.
We did.
But don't get them.
Try them.
Yeah.
I thought they'd be really nice.
Yeah, give them to your enemy.
Can't say that. It's supposed to be a nice Christmassy video. Right, there's our scores then. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I won't be tasting these ever again. Bye. Disgusting.